See, I've got something to prove. Like my mind, I need some clarity. I need some confirmation. I need security. Security to know, guarantees to know that I'm good enough. And the only way to prove that is to feel like I'm going somewhere, to feel like I'm reaching a goal. Um, my mission every day is to post content that's going to help me reach my target audience, which is those that want to be taught educational type videos. And why do I want this particular audience? Because I've in the past I've done that, just like posting for just for likes and just for art, and I've had a fan base there, and that's been alright and cool and everything. But post uni business wise now, like I have to utilize what I've learned. Like my uni, my university journey was not easy, and I'm not blaming anyone else from apart from myself. I'm not gonna go into why it wasn't easy, but my point is like I don't want that to all go down the drain, all be in vain. And if I can use those lessons, that experience, that environment to alter and nurture and aid what I'm doing now, that would be perfect. And maybe I've been all over the place with some of the content I posted, or it hasn't been clear, or all that, whatever. The point is, I'm finding my footing, and I've done it once before, and just doing that once instills hope in me that I can do it again, this time even better. And I have to look at myself every day and say, is this helping you? Are you getting better from yesterday? And the answer is not always yes. But to conclude this video, I want to teach those that want to learn about art, maybe beginners, maybe older, and no, I don't have any experience in the industry or any experience anywhere. And maybe that's going to be a problem. But you still find value out of my content and you're okay with that, then welcome on board. If you're not okay with that, well, I'm going to be a monster. Maybe that's the wrong word. Anyway, I'm getting off track. I'm going to be a monster and just keep on posting content, keep on quality content scheduled, do all the research, the best time to post, get on the latest trends, everything. And you're going to see my content one way or another. Maybe you won't like it, but maybe you will respect it. But not to sound intimidating or anything. Everyone's welcome here. Everyone. And I hope you have fun on this channel as well. Just to make that clear. See you later.